Hi, it's me again with Corel Dog Tips and Tricks. It's kind of like promised. This is a Blue Ridge Parkway in north and south, and I'm trying to help the young lady make the thing all one piece so when she has paper art, it'll work better. If we take the 2-point line, and what's so neat about it, that is a box, so it's going to go the midpoint to the center, then go from the midpoint of that to the edge, and then from the arrow, and you want to be perpendicular when I'm not, you could hold down the control button. There we go, perpendicular. Now, we need to take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line and that line. That top one line is selected, so we're going to select the second one. I'm holding down the shift key. I'm going to go to object and I'm going to combine them. That didn't work. Why didn't that work? Hold down the shift. There we go. I must have hit something wrong. Now this is a line, kind of like down the middle of the street. So we need it to be lines like in the street. I'm going to double click on my pen tool here. I'm going to make it something other than a hairline. And then I'm going to go right here to different linked lines, and I'm going to do that right there. That's pretty cool. It looks like lines in the street. Now take it, go up to object and convert the outline to an object, left click, right click. And you notice it went past the arrow because that's what Corel thinks it needs to do. So we're just going to hold down the shift after we start moving, hold down the control key, get that to go short. Now we don't want it on the edge of the paper because we're trying to solve a problem of having it all one piece. And you could do this with a blend tool and there's, things right here that we could fix. You could do that with corners, but you could bring that out. And then get your smart fill tool, and this is going to be the color of your paper. And it looks like an arrow to the parkway going south. This looks like the street. And you could add more. I could have had a corner here, but people are going to get the idea. Kind of a cool idea. I started thinking about it since it's the Blue Ridge Parkway, and we're trying to, this just didn't look right if you didn't watch section or part 3. And this, the next layer of paper will show through. Let's just make this green, go up to object, order, back a page. So that's what it's going to look like. Whatever the layer of paper that's behind it is going to show up on those lines. I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.